welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video. I'm going to take you along with me all day to show you what I eat, also a little bit about what baby Jay is eating these days. She's eating 3 meals a day, which is so exciting, and I get to cook for her, and it's actually not as stressful as I thought it was going to be. And this video is sponsored by Ritual Vitamins, and if you guys have watched my videos in the past, you know this is the only multivitamin that I take. So more on this very soon. Let's get started with breakfast. I'm making my matcha, oat milk here, which I just froth to make nice and creamy every morning. Doing something a little different today for breakfast. Not any steel cut oats or teff porridge. Still working on my morning matcha because it helps me wake up. Okay, so oh, there she is. What are you doing in here? This is the bathroom. Where are you going? Okay, see you. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, that's the sink. So you actually don't have to shop for Ritual at the store. You can order it on their website and they'll deliver it to your door every month. And if you use my code SOUL10, you can get 10% off your first 3 months of Ritual, which is a pretty sweet deal. So there's a link down below. Make sure you click through that and then use the code SOUL10. Oh, and they also have prenatal vitamins, which I was taking at the end of my pregnancy and like around the beginning when I was first postpartum. So prenatals are great, obviously, if you are before you have a baby or when you're pregnant or just after you've had it, or just go for the regular multi for women. Wow. Oh, you're reading 2 books at the same time, I see. Where are we going? We're going for a walk. We're going for a walk. Okay. Making a detour at the park so baby Jay can swing. She doesn't seem so enthused, but I think it's pretty cute. So as you guys surely know, I love to walk in our neighborhood. So baby Jay on my back. Such a nice day. Nice February day here in Los Angeles. Yummy, 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 eating my food. So after this little baby finishes her lunch, I am going to breastfeed her and then put her down for her nap. I'm just going to eat some leftovers from last night. After she goes to sleep, I'll make myself like a salad, but I'm just gonna start with this. This is kind of like my chickpea tagine recipe that I have on the blog, which is so good. Actually, I think I have it in a video too. Anyway, I'll link down below. It's so good. Just that, brown rice. I just am gonna make some sweet potatoes because you know they take a little while to cook. I'm gonna breastfeed her, and in the meantime, hopefully by the time she's asleep, my sweet potatoes will be done and I can eat lunch. I didn't plan ahead. I didn't meal prep. No, learn from me, guys. Learn from my mistakes. Always meal prep ahead of time so you're not running around like a chicken with your head cut off. I'm gonna make myself a nice kale salad using lacinato kale, and this is white Russian kale here, and there's spigarella as well. Spigarella? I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna massage it all with a lemon vinaigrette. Also added some black beans to my salad, and of course no salad, entree, anything that you eat would be complete without sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna add some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna add some pumpkin seeds and also add some avocado. My beautiful salad. Why is it such a struggle to get you to drink your water? Look, I'm drinking my water. She loves to drink out of my water bottle, but it's way too heavy. Way too big. See, you have your own. You have your baby one. So we buy these huge bags of oranges at the farmer's market. We got this yesterday. It's a 25-pound bag. It actually didn't come in this bag. We just transferred it into this bag. 25 pounds for like $12. So naturally, we eat a lot of oranges these days. I find that fruit is the best snack. And right now, because we're in winter, even here in Los Angeles, there isn't that much in season. So luckily, citrus is in season. We have an orange tree in the backyard, so we sometimes get oranges from that, but it's really, really tiny, so we eat them in moderation. Yeah, that's really all that's in season right now. Actually, we can get berries here all year round, but they're so expensive. So oranges are what we eat all the time. Obviously, they're so high in vitamin C and juicy. Oh, wow. So this is something like Swiss chard. To be totally honest, I don't know what this is. But it's from the farmer's market, and Baby J is going to eat this for dinner. Back in the kitchen again. Now it is 5:25, and it is time to cook some food for Baby J already, and then get her into the bed because she had a really, really short nap. So I really want her to be asleep by 6, which I know is impossible because it's already 5:30 and I need to feed her. But at least I just nursed her, so she's had that. I'm just gonna make her something, you know, light and easy for dinner. Okay, so we're really taking advantage of leftovers. I'm gonna do some white rice for Baby, some leftover steamed carrots, like all of this. I know. Can you believe I actually put this big thing with these few carrots in the refrigerator? And those greens. Maybe we'll do a little healthy fat too because she didn't have any earlier. I think I'll put a little avocado in here. These greens that I made for Baby, try not to eat it all because we made it for her. They're good, right? They're so good. Unfortunately, I don't know what they are because I just bought them at the farmer's market yesterday and I didn't ask. But they were so dark, they kind of got greener when they steamed. I only steamed them for like a minute. But they're like this smooth, like buttery taste. Not bitter, kind of salty. Yeah, you like your food? This is so good. Yeah, Daddy's outside. Say carrots, avocado, mystery greens, and rice. Yummy. Okay, so now Baby is asleep. For dinner, I'm going to make a red lentil curry. It's super easy to make. I'm going to make it in the Instant Pot, and hopefully everything is finished in the next like 30 minutes. gonna go and have dinner right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day video, and hopefully it gives you guys some ideas as well. I'll share the recipe to that chickpea tagine that I made with black beans down below, and also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of what my baby eats in a day. I'm planning to make more content sharing what she's eating, especially as I get better at cooking for her. So just give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of that, and leave a comment down below and share what you've been eating recently. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button so you don't miss a single video. All right, I'll see you later. Good night.